Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we've switched location up. We've got my Audi A1 in my garage at home. Normally my dad's car's in here. I kicked him out. I thought I need this garage to get out of here. Today's a really exciting video. Like, I've wanted to do this on my car since I got it, and every single one of you guys has been telling me like, get this, get this, get this. So we finally got around to buying it, and it's in this big boy box. Big boy box right here. If I get it out for you guys, I'll show you what it... Oh, I just cut myself on the staples. I'll show you guys what it is. So, we've actually bought a honeycomb grill for my Audi A1 because it's gonna look so much better. I'm so excited. At the moment, we've currently got like the standard stock ones. So you've got, I don't know what you call these. They're just stock and ugly. It will also, bonus, de-chrome this bit because we don't want that chrome anymore. That's ugly. So that'll be de-chromed. Honeycomb, 10/10. I'm excited. I was gonna do this all myself. I thought, yeah, do you know what, Chloe? You're an independent woman. Do this shit yourself. And then I actually have to take the whole front bumper off, and I thought, babe, you're not that clever. So we've actually gonna have my dad helping me today. And if he can't do it, then we're going to Harry. So we've got a list of people that are gonna help us fit the honeycomb grill to my Audi A1. But hopefully we can get this sorted, get this on today. I'm so excited. Let me just stop talking. Let's get the honeycomb grill on my Audi A1. I'm so excited. Let's go. Hold on. Ow, why is that light so hot? Jesus Christ. I'm not gonna lose these. Always screwed. Ha! Screwed bugger. I'm dumb and can't do it. Me and my dad look at me, was like, how do we get this off? Like, clips, what do we do? So I phoned Harry. He's gonna pop around now and help me fit my honeycomb grill. So hopefully we will actually get this on today. That would be ideal.
Surprised we don't go together, but it took us a while before we figured it out. What a shame. I'm not asking you for closure, I just want it to be over. We don't need to break up if we were never aligned. Is that okay? I shouldn't be yours if it means changing who I am to get us through. You shouldn't be mine because you're you.
Honeycomb grill installed on my Audi A1. It looks sick. I can't tell you how happy I am with it. Like, don't you just think it transforms the whole look of the car? Like, it looks like an actual beast now. But I'm really annoyed and I'm an idiot because I didn't notice until I'd already got the bumper back on. You've got this shitty bar thing behind it that's like an ugly like white grey colour. So from back here you can see it. When I get the number plate on, it won't stand out as much because it'll cover some of it. But at some point I will be taking the bumper back off and spray painting that black just to blend it in a little bit more. While we're here, let me give a quick shout out to Harry. I had to call him up and be like, I can't do this. So he come around, he literally fitted in like 20 minutes. So yeah, big shout out to Harry. He actually owns EHB Performance, so I'll link him down below if you want any mechanics work done, detailing, modifications, anything. I'll link it down below. Go check them out, guys. Yeah, I'm so happy with the honeycomb grill. It's so sick. I am also, fun fact, missing this piece of trim. which I feel like now you have the honeycomb grill, you notice it a little bit more, but I am currently looking at getting the little piece. But when I looked on eBay, £60. Are you joking? Okay, so obviously with the new Honeycomb grill, we have to get new plates. So I want to give a big shout out to REGPLATEKING, who actually supplied me with these shortened plates. But yeah, because obviously with the new grill, you can't just like stick them on anymore, and I didn't want the number plate signy thing. So we've got these fancy clips that are like lock and pull and lock. But anyway, these will go on here. That'll lock in, twist on, stick the number plate on. Look top tip. Let's go do that quickly. Okay, so I've locked these in so they stay in, and then I obviously just peel them, stick my plate on. I'm excited. I like to just extra make sure these plates are in. Wow! Let me have a look. Hold on. Oh, that is so sick! I picked my rubbish up, guys. That's not mine. What have people been eating? Your 5 a day. 10. Watermelon wedges. Oh, I like watermelon. Didn't save me any. So rude. Does that not look sick? Oh, I'm so happy with that. That looks fucking mental. I'm actually well gassed. But yeah, guys, another big shout out to REGPLATEKING for sending me these shortened plates over. If you guys are interested in getting your own, which I would recommend, 4D plates, 3D plates, normal standard plates, whatever, use my discount code CHL_.OE, which will get you some money off. But yeah, big shout out to them, guys. Appreciate it. But yeah, while we're on the REGPLATEKING, I also got some shorter ones on the back, obviously, because it'd be weird if I just did the front. So that looks 10 times better. I've got slight marks from the outside of the old plate, but I managed to get most of the like glue and stuff off, so that's good. Looks much better.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you. I wish you could be happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie. LA made you crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can't afford. This is goodbye, bye.
Okay, so unfortunately I'm gonna end today's video there. That is the Honeycomb grill installed on my Audi A1, and I'm so happy. It looks so much, the car just looks 10 times better. The Honeycomb grill, the shortened plates, obviously we're gonna spray paint this bar black just to kind of, so it doesn't actually stand out as much as it does right now. But that's a later problem because I was not taking the bumper off again. I think Harry would have quite literally murdered me. So yeah, that's Honeycomb grill installed on my Audi A1. I'm so happy. I hope you guys like it because you've been going on at me for decades about buying it. Ever since I got the car, you was like, Honeycomb grill, Honeycomb grill, Honeycomb grill. So yeah, but unfortunately I'm going to end today's video here. Follow me on Instagram at CHL_.OE. Go buy yourself some plates from REGPLATEKING. Use my discount code CHL_.OE. Subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you, or will see you, in my next video. Bye!